Bye, uncle. Bye, bye. Welcome back to another day. Today we're heading to a place called as Mangulam, and then there's another place ahead of that called as Anakulam. So we are not really sure if we're gonna go there. And Mangulam, and then we have kind of prepared a route Adimali to Mangulam, and then via Lakshmi Tea Estate to Munnar. So basically connects to Munnar. That's a pretty scenic route apparently, with all the tea estate on the way. If it rains, then for sure I can't record any kind of videos because my GoPro has an issue. It has a screen crack, so obviously I can't use it. But it's alright. I don't think it's gonna rain. The sky, oh my lord, look at that sky. That sky is blue as fuck. So instead of going around the mountain, we are gonna go through the mountain, and apparently this road is kind of steep. That's why people don't take it. Such an idiot, man. So like I said, this road is supposed to be really steep. This is kind of nice. Otherwise we would have to oh yeah, this is the waterfall that you get to see from Adimali. Oh, this is the one. I'm sure this doesn't seem steep in the video, but trust me. This is Adimali, baby. Oh, Adimali. Yeah, word in the meaning. Yeah. Oh, literally. Yeah. Shit, I just realized that. I think we're on the top right now. We should be. Woo. Mangulam. Okay, it's towards the right. Alle? Imagine this being lush green right now and monsoon. I would die for that. these roads. Okay. Oh my god, look at these trees. It's a pretty nice shortcut. Saved us a lot of time, distance. Wow, this is beautiful. അതാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞേ. Let's stop here. Fly like an eagle. Look at these trees. I'm shipping the trees at the moment. Damn, this is beautiful. Lovely place, man. The roads are lovely. Welcome Mankulam Grama Panchayat. Lakshmi Tea Estate. Lakshmi. Oh, wait. Beautiful. This is lovely. Oh my god. What? That's nice, right? I think it's a resort on in though. The roads are excellent. It's kind of chill in here. My god, I'm loving this. Just what I wanted. I think this bridge is called as Kuwait Bridge or something. I think I noticed it in the map. I'm not sure though. It's Kuwait Bridge. So basically, elephants come from there and then they drink water from this kind of river of stream. You can spot elephants from here and that's it. And they come, I think usually during 6 p.m.
Yeah.
So I guess there's no point staying here right now. He just said I'm gonna get wet. Yeah, sure. 100%.
Proof of elephant.
Proof of elephant, yeah. Right now we are on the route towards Munnar. This is the one that I was talking about. My God, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of cold in here. The roads are not really good though. I'm shipping the view, but not the roads. Especially when you have this sand or mud, whatever, on the curbs. It's really risky. There's high possibility of you slipping. Such a peaceful place. Oh my God. Oh, I love this. God damn it. Oh my God. Shut the front door. What is this? Oh, I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. Oh my God. About to reach Munnar. and I can already feel the chill. You see, this is where it connects. Hold on. See, this is where it connects. KSRTC bus stand. Such a nice scenic road. The roads are not really good, but the landscapes are quite nice. Yep, I'll give that. Oh my, look at that view. Fucking hell, man. This is excellente.